Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be baking lemon cupcakes. Lemon cupcakes are absolutely delicious. If you have not had it, then you should try this recipe. So the first thing we are going to be doing is creaming our butter and our sugar together. We want it to be creamed until it's pale and fluffy, and that should take about 5 to 7 minutes, so depending on what kind of machine that you are using. And in a bit I'm going to be adding my zest to it. Okay, you want it very zesty. All right, so if this is your first time on my channel and you kind of like what you're seeing, or you should look below and click on the subscribe button, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. We are all about cake recipes, fondant, wafer paper. We just like to drop cake hacks and tips that helps bakers in their cake business. Okay, so I just added my lemon juice to my milk, and wow, that means it has turned to buttermilk, because as soon as you add it, you see how your buttermilk just thickens up. Okay, that's what happens when you do that. So that's buttermilk actually. All right, so our creaming is almost done. So I just realized that I hadn't sieved my flour, so I have put in my baking powder and my baking soda, and I am sieving them. And now I am going back to my creaming so that we can get our butter and sugar pale and fluffy, and we are almost there. Okay, so now I'm just going to be breaking my eggs into my creamed mixture actually. Okay, we are going to be adding one at a time, mix after each addition. So now, just in case you don't know how to zest your lemon, or you don't know how to juice your lemon, or you need to get some more information about this lemon thing, okay, you should get to my Instagram page. My Instagram page handle is on the description below. Just click on it and it will take you straight there. And while you are there, you should remember to follow me, drop your comments. You know, I love to hear from you all. Okay, you can ask me questions. I'm here for you. If it's within my power, I'll definitely answer. You know, I love to talk with you all. That's what keeps me going. That's what motivates me, because I know there's somebody out there that is actually watching. Okay, and also I will be happy if you share this video, tag your baker friends, distribute it. Okay, there's love in sharing. Just the way I've shared with you, you should share this video too. By the way, I'm going to be dropping a cupcake quote. It says, "Cupcakes are sweet when shared with friends." Okay, so there is joy in sharing. Make sure you share this video with your friend. Give us a thumbs up, drop your comments. When you do that, that's how we feel fulfilled as content creators. Okay, we feel the motivation to do more, and I'm sure you want to see more from me. All right, so I have mixed in my my flour. You saw the way I mixed it, alternating it with the buttermilk. Now I'm just going to be putting this into my cupcake pan. Okay, I've already lined it with my cupcake liners, and I'm going to be baking this for about 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Okay, so this particular recipe makes 15 cupcakes. All right, so I'm going to be waiting for it to come out, and then you will see it now. All right, so our cupcakes are out of the oven. So you see those little marks on each cupcakes. It's actually my daughter. I just sent her, please just go to the oven, and she went there and she was poking all of them. Okay, so this cake is actually delicious. I wish you could smell the lemon flavor from where you are right now. So give it a trial and please tag me when you do. I'll be so happy and delighted to hear from you. You can use this in your business. Honestly, it's going to give you so many cake orders. So thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please remember to do so. Love you guys.